Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to fix Discord mic not working. First, you need to go to your Discord account and then click settings. In the voice settings, you can see input device. Kindly click and select microphone Realtek. And in the output device, kindly click speakers. Also, make sure that it's 100% here in your input volume. And then in your output volume, it's okay if it's not. Now, to make sure that your microphone is working, all you have to do is to have a mic test. As you can see, I am speaking at this very moment, so your Discord microphone is working well. And then in the input mode, you shouldn't click this push to talk. All you have to do is to click this voice activity. Now here in the video settings, if you wanted to make sure that your video settings is working, also you have to preview video. You can click any of this video background to check if it's really working. Scroll down to explore more. Then after that, you can exit Discord application and you can go to System, Sound, and Volume Mixer. Okay, so all you have to do is to check if your Discord microphone, your input and output device is working well. Go back to Discord to see if it's working well. Try the mic testing, and as you can see now, the Discord microphone is working well. So as you can see here, everything is okay. If you find this video helpful and informative, make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.